Being a whistleblower, unfortunately, is not a popular thing to be, especially not at one's own workplace. Most of the laws available, I think, are called whistleblower protection laws, and I think that's not a fair way to call them. They're the right to sue if one has been retaliated against for being a whistleblower. And one of the things that I see a lot of, unfortunately, is whistleblowers who blow the whistle first and call their lawyer second. Call the lawyer first. While the rights available to whistleblowers are not perfect, it's better to know what those rights are before you confront anyone, before you get into trouble at the workplace as a result of being a whistleblower. Now, there are some advantages to, for example, the False Claims Act and using that law. One is that the cases are filed under seal. The seal is not meant or enacted to protect a whistleblower. It's for the government to be able to investigate the allegations without having everything being public. But it does keep the case secret for some period of time, and sometimes that can help a whistleblower find a new position without everybody knowing that there's a case going on. So that can be a helpful provision. Whistleblower laws do also include anti-retaliation provisions, so that if one is the subject of retaliation for blowing the whistle, it's usually possible to sue and recover damages. In the case of the False Claims Act, it's 2 times back pay and special damages, including attorney's fees. There are obviously other anti-retaliation provisions for a whistleblower to look at if it's not a matter of fraud against the government. But these are really issues that whistleblowers should talk with counsel about and get as much advice as they can. Because, having a job in one's career is, an extremely important thing, obviously, and so blowing the whistle is something that shouldn't be entered into lightly, and usually is not entered into lightly.